How to lock or unlock your debit card on Bank of America app. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's get started with the process. First of all, head over to your Bank of America application. Tap on it and then provide your user ID and password and tap on login button. This should sign you up into the application and you will land to the home page. Then after hit on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner to open the menu and settings. After you tap on the three horizontal lines, you will land to another page from where you will see the option of Manage Debit and Credit Card. Tapping on it should take you to another page from where you can see the options of your debit card. There are three options. You can either lock, replace, or set limits to your debit card. Choose on the option of lock first. If you want to lock your card, once you tap on lock, it will take you to another page from where you need to confirm. When your card is locked, you cannot use it making purchases, making ATM withdrawals, or also changing your card address or settings. If you confirm it, tap on lock card option and it should take you back to the another page. Now to unlock, you can follow the same process but you will have to tap on unlock instead of lock. And that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.